Hey, Fanindra here, and I have a quick question. Want my team and I to personally become the marketing department for your online business and help your brand become the online celebrity, generating you 20 high quality, exclusive bookings on autopilot every month for less than $1 a day. Even if you don't have a pipeline and without you having to cold call or door knock. Now, I know that's a bold promise, so before we get into the details, let me properly introduce myself so you know exactly why I am the person to listen to when it comes to lead generation and marketing for B2B and B2C business. First off, my name is Maladi Faninda. I'm a marketing and lead generation expert for online business. To date, I've worked with over 300 plus B2B and B2C clients, as it's a lot of work, so I choose AI and automation to help my clients building systems that can run with data. I've generated over 75,000 leads in the last 2 years. So, if you're serious about growing your online business, then this presentation will be the most important video you've ever watched, because in the next few minutes, you're about to discover the bird one called outreach appointment booking system, guaranteed to get you 20 plus high quality exclusive bookings every month on autopilot. And this is the same exact proven system getting results for over 300 plus online business. To date, I've used it to generate over 75,000 leads. For new business, established business, it doesn't matter. This system works, and today you're about to discover why it works and how you can partner with my team and I to get this system set up in your online business without you doing any of the work. Okay, now you probably already know this. However, it's important to say, because if you're like most online business I speak with, then you want more consistency, more lead flow, and more appointments in your business, right? But the problem is, you're most likely not a marketing professional. You didn't spend years studying marketing and it's not your expertise. You probably do not enjoy setting up any tech stuff. And you certainly don't want to sit behind a computer or desk all day, setting up marketing campaigns. You want to be out in the field, closing deals. Now, what most online business do to try and get around these issues is sign up for one of these sites right here: MailChimp, Mailshake, GetResponse, MailerLite, and many more. Now, these sites can work sometimes, don't get me wrong, but the simple fact is, on these sites, you're paying upwards of $25 to $35 for, I hate to say it, but for low quality outreach. Because the simple fact is, all these platforms send marketing emails to everyone in your email list, and they end up landing in promotion tab or even sometimes spam. Plus, when you work with MailChimp, Mailshake, GetResponse, MailerLite, you're sending the exact same template to everyone in your campaign. They're not exclusive, and you're literally competing against other marketing emails in your client's inbox. So you better hope you're the lucky one. Otherwise, the leads you get will be worthless and you'll end up throwing a lot of money down the drain. Luckily, this email outreach appointment booking system you're about to hear will solve all those issues and more. We do the work. You cash the checks. This system is the best solution to stop relying on referrals alone, build up your brand, and help you become an online celebrity, filling up your pipeline with consistent deals without you doing any of the actual work, getting 20 exclusive leads month for less than $1 a day, and helping you focus on closing deals instead of cold calling, door knocking, or relying on inconsistent lead sources like MailChimp, Mailshake, GetResponse, MailerLite, etc. Now, let's get into the details of how this partnership works and how we'll set this system up for you. So you can create a snowball effect of exclusive bookings for your online business. As soon as we partner up, we're going to set up one of our proven and exclusive lead generation campaigns for you. We're going to focus on doing all the grunt work for you. So all you have to worry about is closing the deals we send your way. We tee up the leads for you so you knock it out of the park. Once you work with us, we'll get our system set up for you. We'll handle all the tech and cross-platform integrations, start building a database, and start nurturing and generating you instant leads. And as soon as we turn this system on, you'll be getting 20 plus exclusive bookings every month for less than $1 a day, even if you don't have a pipeline. Think about it, you can't even get an assistant for one a day. All the legend sites like MailChimp, Mailshake, GetResponse, MailerLite, they want you to spend thousands a month with them. All we're asking you to do is spend $1 a day. That's about as much as getting a cup of coffee at your break time. Check this out. Only 2 hours after launching a client campaign, over 7 leads came in for one of our clients, Terrell. Imagine getting 7 leads in less than 2 hours. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? And these are all exclusive bookings for less than $1 a day compared to the non-exclusive, expensive leads you'd get from MailChimp, Mailshake, GetResponse, MailerLite, etc. It's obvious why having exclusive cheap leads is better, right? After that, the next step is all about building your online celebrity status. During this step, we're going to be working on building your brand and expanding your top-of-mind awareness within your online market. We'll create and distribute authority-building content to expand your online recognition and presence, which builds the know-like-trust factor between you and your prospects. So converting any leads you get into clients becomes much easier. Plus, if you want to build a large team, this will help you attract top talent. And after we implement this step for you, you'll end up becoming an online celebrity in your market. So closing leads becomes way easier and building your team is effortless. Want us to help you build online celebrity status in your market and skyrocket your business growth? Then fill out the application on this page or from the link in the description to speak with us about how we can work together and do all of this for you. Alright now. Almost everyone has heard this before. The fortune is in the follow-up, right? And this is 100% true because even if you get 100 leads per day, if you don't have the consistent or proven follow-up, then you're going to miss out on a lot of money, which is where step 3, the snowball effect, comes in. Even though you're going to get some hot bookings from step 1, we look at that as the beginning of a snowball because when we're generating you bookings in step 1, you're going to be building momentum. You're going to be getting people who are interested but not quite ready to attend the meeting because not everyone's in the market right now, right? Not everyone is ready to buy right now, but in 3-4 weeks, some more of them will be. So during this step, we're going to be dripping valuable content and nurturing your leads to set them up to come talk to you. We're going to be sending them text messages, emails, and truly being omnipresent to your prospects. So whenever they think of marketing, they think of you, which is the reason this system works better than any other system out there, because some of those leads will come in from that content and become clients. And those are leads you're not even paying for anymore. So over the period of 12 months, you get this sort of snowball effect where you're adding new people and leads to your pipeline. Some come in instantly while we drip and nurture the other leads until they come in. And the cycle repeats and your pipeline gets bigger and bigger. So your content and drip gets better and better results. Does that make sense? It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting larger and larger and rolling faster. And by the end of this step, you'll have a completely hands-free cold outreach marketing system bringing you an avalanche of bookings every single month. So you never worry about referrals, cold calling, or direct mail ever again. So real quick, let's recover what we've covered so far. In step 1, I explained how we'll set up your exclusive lead generation campaigns. So you'll be getting 20 plus exclusive leads every month for less than 1 day. Even if you don't have a pipeline, then in step 2, I showed you how we'll be building your online celebrity status and build your authority so you become an online celebrity in your market. Closing leads becomes way easier and building your team is effortless. And finally, in step 3, I revealed how we'll create the snowball effect for you and set up a completely hands-free marketing system that brings you an avalanche of hot leads every single month. So you never worry about referrals, cold calling, or direct mail ever again. Plus, we'll even create an additional new campaign for you every single month, adding even more to your snowballing avalanche effect of leads. So, if you want us to personally become the marketing department for your online business and help your brand become the online celebrity, generating you 20 high quality exclusive bookings on autopilot every month for less than $1 a day. Even if you don't have a pipeline and without you having to cold call or door knock, then fill out the application on this page and schedule a call to speak with our team. And when you work with us, we will personally become your marketing department for your online business and set up an entirely new lead gen campaign for you, generating you 20 plus high quality exclusive leads on autopilot every month. Help build your brand's authority so you become an online celebrity, and closing leads into prospects becomes much easier from the additional know, like, trust factor. Drip content and nurture your pipeline of leads for you, creating an avalanche of red hot booking every single month. So you don't have to rely solely on referrals or even think about cold calling or direct mail ever again. If any of this sounds awesome, don't even think anymore. Just start filling out the application on this page and get on the phone with us so we can see if we are both a good fit. But just a heads up, because of the nature of this offer and the amount of one-on-one time it will take for us to build out these campaigns for you, we can only take on a certain amount of new clients each month. So just know there's limited spots available. However, luckily, if you're seeing this video right now, that means their spots may still open. So, one last time, fill out the application from the link below or ask your questions in the comments, and we look forward to speaking with you.